morning, class family. I hope you're having a special day so far. Let's go ahead and look at our message together. Follow along with your eyes and listen with your ears. Remember, use your finger to point underneath each word. Let's go ahead and start with today's date. Are you ready? December 11th, 2020. Dear class family, today is Friday. We will learn a lot at school. We will write a story. We will go to PE for specials. We will have a fantastic Friday. Love, Miss Joyner. Oh, we will have a fantastic Friday. Get your fans ready. Ready? Remember? Swish in fantastic. Let's go ahead and look at some important things. Do you remember the date? I see it right here. Can you say it one more time with me? Ready? December 11th, 2020. Do you remember what day of the week we are on for today? I see in this first sentence here, it's the one that starts with an F. Friday. If you remembered that today is Friday, go ahead and kiss your brain. So we are going to learn a lot at school today, and we will be writing a story. Did you notice within the message the pattern sentences? It's going to help us today for writing. Today for writing, we are going to write like an author that we know. And do you remember in our message some of the pattern sentences that we've used this week? What was it? I see it at the beginning of each of these sentences. Do you see it too? Let's look at the first two words. Ready? Say them with me. We will. Look at the next sentence. We will, we will, we will. Did you notice the pattern sentence, we will? Well, writers, today when we're writing our stories, we're going to be writing a pattern stories. And it's going to be similar to the authors that we've learned about and the books that we've read. So we're going to think about different pattern sentences that we can use so that when you are writing your pattern story, you can use a pattern sentence. It's going to be so much fun. So when we do that, you're going to need some school supplies. You will need to make sure you have paper, pencil, crayons, and some other things if you need that for your story. Okay? So make sure that you have these things. All right. So, do you remember the pattern sentence in the message? Which one was in the message? Put your microphone on and share out right now. Which one? We will. Great job. Let's underline. We have we will learn a lot at school. We will write a story. We will go to PE for specials. We will have a fantastic Friday. Love, Miss Joyner. All right, before we move on, I wanted to remind you of some important things. When you are sharing your story, you are going to need to make sure to put your microphone button on so that I can hear you say what your story is. And when you're showing us your story and you're pointing to it, make sure your video camera is on so that the class family can see the story that you have written. I am so excited to hear your stories. What pattern sentence will you be using, writers? Hmm. Let's brainstorm some ideas together. All right. And we are going to have a fantastic Friday. Get your fans ready. Fantastic.